Look at that, guys. Yum. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some plantain peanut porridge. So I have on my stove the pot with the water boiling up, and I'm gonna add my cinnamon leaf to it, and then I have my plantain, I have my peanuts, and I have my oats, and I have my blender ready to blend up the ingredients. I also have my nutmeg, my cinnamon, and my vanilla extract to spice up my porridge. So guys, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna peel the plantain, dice it in small pieces so that it can blend with the peanuts and the oats. Add the peanut, the plantain, the oats to the bullet. So guys, I will be using the powdered milk, coconut milk. So I'm gonna add it, and then I'm gonna add some water and then blend. Ingredients is now ready, so I'm gonna add it to the pot, which is already boiling up on the fire. So guys, the art of making a good porridge is to stir it, constantly stir it, because you don't want it to be lumpy. So stir it until it is smooth before allowing it to cook. I'm just gonna add a little salt to taste. I will proceed to add my nutmeg, then my cinnamon and my vanilla extract. Guys, and remember to keep stirring your porridge until it's smooth, because if you don't stir it, it's gonna be lumpy. So I'm gonna turn on the flame a bit and allow the porridge to slowly cook. Alright guys? And there you have it guys, all done. I'm gonna sweeten my porridge now. Yes guys, this is what it looks like. The color changed to that color. So I'm gonna sweeten this now. Guys, to sweeten my porridge, I will only use some condensed milk, and I'm gonna sweeten to my taste. So you can add sugar, whatever else you want, but I'm gonna just use the milk. All right, guys. Porridge is ready, so I'm gonna dish it now. Just look at this, guys. Oh, so yummy. Yes, ignore my cinnamon leaf, but yes, also yummy. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think you will have this porridge with. Okay, guys, go ahead and try it. It's easy, easy, easy. It's my plantain peanut porridge.